Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Yoshi from Super Mario. So let's start on the top left side of the page. We're going to draw a large circle for the nose. Let's start from the very top, right in the middle. Start with the left side, going all the way around. Bend that back in towards the middle. Now we're going to work our way up along the right side. All the way around. Bend this up. And then in. Now we're going to turn the head over towards the left so the nostrils sit on the top left side. So up here, let's draw a small oval. Going all the way around and coming in an angle, fill the nostril in black. Let's move over towards the right and do that again and fill the nostril in black. Let's move over towards the top right side of the nose and draw in the right eye. We're going to go up, round at the eye, come around the side, and then down. Let's tuck the left eye in behind. So we're going to step in, going up, around, and then down. Let's add in the eyelid on the left side, curl this up and then down. Step up, draw on the right side, going up and then down towards the bottom. Round at the eye, coming in towards the nose. Now I want to pull the pupils over towards the right side. So let's start from that center seam. Start with the left eye going up and then down like a half oval. Let's go over towards the right side of the right eye, draw an oval, going up, down, and then up. Let's add a circle along the top of each pupil for the highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's go all the way back down towards the bottom. We're going to open up the mouth. We're going to start right down here, cut the mouth coming down and then up. From the bottom left side of the mouth, let's add a curve going up and across for the tongue. And it'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Over on the left side, let's step over. We're going to draw in the lower lip. Coming down, around, and up. Now we're going to go back over towards the base of the right eye. We're going to step up and draw in the cheek. So we're going to step up, curl this out, come around, just tuck that in behind the lip. Now from the side of the nose, let's add a seam. We're going to go up, come around, and then down. Now we're going to add those bumps across the side of the head. Let's start from the eye. We go out, and then in. Let's leave a gap and draw another one. Going out, around, and then in. Let's add one more. Stepping down, coming down, and then up. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that front arm. Just underneath the head, right here, we're going to draw the inside, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add in 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come around and then up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger, and then the third finger, we go all the way around the hand and then in towards the wrist. Let's bend the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Now, from the bottom of the arm, we're going to step over. Let's draw the back. Coming down, around at the body, and go up towards the tail. Now, we're going to curve the bottom of the body, coming down, and then up towards the center of our page. Let's add that shell across the back. We're going to step over, follow the curve of the body, coming down, around the edge of the shell, back in towards the body. Now right here, we're going to draw the top of the shell, going around and up underneath the arm. Let's bring that front leg up in front of the body. So from here, we're going to step in, curve this down towards the edge of the leg, bend this up and then out. Now I curve the top of the leg. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's go back down to this bottom point. Just going to add a cuff with a small bracket. Bend the heel coming down towards the bottom. Now we want to see the bottom of this foot. So we're going to go out and then up, just curving this up towards the toe. Then we'll draw the inside edge coming in and then back down towards the heel. Let's go all the way back up towards the front of the foot. Go up, bend this across, and then down. Now we're going to separate the cuff from this point, all that curve coming in behind the foot. I'm also going to separate the sole. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across towards the heel. Let's go all the way back up underneath the mouth. We're going to curve the body going out and then in behind the leg. Out and then down. Let's add a seam. Stepping in, curve this around, come down in behind the leg. Now let's go to the bottom, curve across the tail, and then blend that out. Let's push that back leg over towards the right. So we're going to start up here, curve the leg coming down, going to round out the knee and pull that back up underneath the body. Let's add that thick cuff. From the bottom of the knee, curve this around, and then up. From the top, we're going to add the heel. Going out, we'll bend the foot. Coming down, and then out. Let's draw the top of the foot. Going up, across the bottom of the cuff, and then down. And just like we did on the left side, we're going to add a thick sole. So just following that curve, going all the way across towards the toe. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Let's swing that back arm over towards the left side. Starting right here from the body. Bend the arm going up towards the wrist. And you want to curl around the thumb. So we're going to go up, bend this down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. And we're just going to add the palm. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the outside. Starting from the top of the thumb, add a half oval. Going out and then down. Add another one. Going around, just tuck that up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Now from that bottom finger, let's curl the palm, coming down and in towards the wrist. We're going to step back and close off the bottom of the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Yoshi from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, I want you to check out our new home base on School. This is a cool new space where you can share your art and get on the artist spotlight. I'll leave more information with the link down in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.